everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I am going to share a very popular Hyderabadi street food spot idli. Now this is a creative twist to the traditional idlis that we make. It's made by cooking idli batter on a griddle or tawa, topped with a spicy onion tomato masala mixture and served with this nice fresh coconut chutney. Well, these instant, spicy and savory spot idlis are very tasty that everybody will enjoy. So let's get started and check it out. First, let's prepare a flavorful masala podi that gives this idli its unique punch. In a hot pan, add 1.5 teaspoons each of chana dal and urud dal, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a pinch of fenugreek seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 to 3 tamarind bits, 2 to 3 garlic cloves and few fresh curry leaves. Roast everything on medium flame until it turns a lovely golden brown and releases a beautiful aroma. Once it's roasted, turn off the stove and add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix it all well and let it cool completely. If you prefer a bit more heat, you can replace Kashmiri chili powder with the regular chili powder or even dry roast a few red chilies along with the lentils. It's totally up to your taste. Once it cools down, grind it to a nice fine powder and store it in an airtight container. This masala podi is very flavorful. You can use it not only for spot idlis but also for dosas or stir fries anytime. Next, let's make the delicious onion tomato masala. In a white pan, add 2 spoons of butter along with a teaspoon of oil. Make sure the butter you use is unsalted. Once it melts, add 3 large onions finely chopped and saute until they turn golden and aromatic. Now add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic and 2 slit green chilies. Adjust the spice level according to your liking. Garlic is optional, but adding it takes the flavor to another level. Next, add 5 ripe tomatoes, finely chopped. Cook them down until they turn soft and mushy. Now season with 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. Mix well until everything blends beautifully. It's time to add that special homemade masala podi. I'm adding around 4 teaspoons. Stir everything together so the flavor coats the onion tomato mix perfectly. To finish, sprinkle in some fresh coriander leaves and a few curry leaves and mix gently and turn off the stove. The aroma at this point will be just irresistible. Now let's make the spot idlis. Heat a pan. I'm using a small pancake pan today, but you can use any flat tawa or shallow kadai. Lightly grease it with a little butter or oil. Spoon a little bit of the onion tomato masala and spread it gently like a base. Even if you're not a big idli fan, trust me, this version will totally win you over. It's spicy, buttery and absolutely addictive. Then pour a ladle of the idli batter right on top of it. Repeat the same for all the molds or spots on your pan. On top of each one, sprinkle a pinch of the ground masala podi, a bit of chopped coriander and a small dollop of butter for that rich street-style touch. Now cover the pan and cook the idlis on medium flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. Let me know what your favorite street foods are in the comment section below. Once it's cooked on one side and it's nice and crispy, flip them gently and cook for another 2 minutes. When both the sides are nicely golden and cooked through, remove them from the pan. Your super flavorful, soft yet crispy Hyderabad style spot idlis are ready. You can serve them nice and hot with fresh coconut chutney on the side and just wait till you take that first bite.
The buttery, spicy masala will melt in your mouth and you'll understand why the street food has such a huge following. Give this recipe a try and I'm sure your family is going to absolutely love it as much as Hyderabad does.
Well, our spicy and savory spot idlis are ready and I can't wait to enjoy these with some nice fresh coconut chutney. There you go. Wow. This combination is just unbeatable. It's just so yummy. The masala, amazing. Well, those spot idlis were truly delicious, especially with the onion tomato masala as well as that nice coconut chutney combination. Well, I truly enjoyed them. And next time you want to make something different, go for this. I'm sure everybody will absolutely enjoy. So do give it a try and share it with your family and friends.
Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.